Hey friends, welcome to Bodhi.learnings. Friends, as we all know that there are many laws that govern this universe which are very powerful and they work incredibly in our life. Such laws are called as universal laws. When we throw any object up irrespective of its color, shape, size, or it is made of any material, it will ultimately come back and fall on the ground. And we all know the reason, that is law of gravity. And in our school time, we have studied many such laws. All these laws are universal laws. And we all know that universe is existing on many such laws. And friends, there is one such powerful law of universe with the help of which we can fulfill all our dreams. Means through this powerful law, we can make all our dreams come true, and the law is law of attraction. This law of attraction can help us to manifest all our desires that we think are impossible to achieve. But the question is, as how we can apply this law of attraction in our life? What is that correct way? Friends, this is centuries old secret about which many people in this world do not know. And do you know that there are many prominent personalities of this world like Shakespeare, Hugo, Einstein, Newton, Emerson, Abraham Lincoln? They all already knew about this secret, and we all have the proof as how amazingly these people have been successful in their lives. Today, through this video, you will get to know about that powerful secret, and you can also change your life by applying it correctly, and you can achieve anything that you want, be it related to money, relationships, health, or any victory you desire for. So stick to this video and watch it till end to know that powerful secret. But before slipping ahead, please subscribe to my channel Bodhi.learnings and press the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos, and do press like and share. So friends, Rohnda Byrne, who is a very famous author and who has written a very famous book, The Secret, which is one of the most read self-help books. Rohnda Byrne once came to know about some centuries old book by her daughter, who gifted her that book, which tells about this secret to use law of attraction and become successful. When she started her research, she got to know that this secret has been used by many great personalities, as they already know about it but did not share with anyone. So she decided to reveal this secret and share with millions of people and help them change their life as well. So she wrote this book, The Secret, in 2006. Friends, this power can help you change your life in many ways, like financially, relationships-wise, health-wise, professionally, and so on. Friends, today whoever we are or whatever we have attracted it ourselves in our life. If it is huge money or poverty, happiness or sorrow, joy or stress, or if it is good health or illness. Now, I know that you won't believe and will say, how is it possible? So in order to know that, stick to the video till end. We all know that this universe is a giant ball of energy, and since we are a part of this universe, so we all are tiny balls of energy. So if this universe is so powerful, it has a huge potential, and we are also its part. So it means that we also have that same potential, and which means that we are equally powerful. But the question is how we can tap that immense potential that is lying within us. Friends, Charles Hennell has explained it very beautifully. Just think about it. We all know that how a television station works. The transmission tower of the television station broadcasts through frequency, which ultimately transforms it into pictures, and we see it on our television. When we start tuning into that frequency, we start seeing pictures on our TV. We ourselves choose a frequency by selecting the channel, and then on choosing a set frequency, we start seeing pictures. In case we want to see some other picture, we need to change the channel, which ultimately chooses a different frequency. He says that same way you are also a human transmission tower, and you are the most powerful transmission tower in the universe. The frequency that you transmit goes beyond countries, beyond the world, and you are transmitting that frequency with your own thoughts. Friends, our thoughts are magnetic and they have a frequency. Whatever we think, our thoughts reaches the universe, and they magnetically attract like things that are on the same frequency. So our thoughts attract the things of same frequency in the universe, and whatever we send to the universe, that will be returned to us with more like things, which is a source. The pictures that you receive from the transmission of your thoughts, they are not on a television screen. They are the pictures of your life. So friends, our thoughts create a frequency, and then they attract the things in the universe of the same frequency, and they come down and get broadcasted in our life. Means whatever is happening with us in our life, that is the creation of our thoughts only. So if you want to change anything in your life, change the channel and change the frequency by changing your thoughts. So friends, you just think about abundance in your life and see that how abundance will start getting attracted in your life. Now you must be thinking that in order to receive good in life, we just have to think good and nice. It's very easy. But if it is so simple, then why it is that most of the people can't live their life the way they want? They don't get what they want. So friends, the only reason it happens because maximum people in this world focus on what they do not have rather than focusing on what do they want. Means that they are continuously thinking more about what they do not have or do not want than what they do want. Friends, it does not matter to the law of attraction as what is good or what is bad, what is right or what is wrong. Whatever you think, it will just respond you back on the same frequency. For example, if you regularly think that I don't want a mediocre life, universe won't understand the word do not. It will immediately respond you back with a life full of mediocrity. Instead, if you think that I want a lavish life, that's how the universe will respond you with the situations that will give you a lavish life. So friends, law of attraction is a law of nature and is extremely powerful. It simply gives you whatever you are thinking about once you focus on your desires with all your intentions. Friends, quantum physics also says that this whole universe has emerged through one single thought. So always remember, you create your life through your thoughts. When you will be able to understand this great law, then you will understand and know that how powerful you are. Author says that even if we realize this or not, this is so true that we spend most of our time in a day in thinking. If you are reading a newspaper, you are thinking. If you are collecting memories of your past, you are thinking. When you are working, you are thinking. When you are driving, you are thinking. There is only one time of the day when we are not thinking, and that is when we are asleep. But friends, remember this, that time also the forces of attraction is doing their work on the very thought which is your last thought before you sleep. So make sure your last thoughts are good thoughts. Author says that if you are in a habit of complaining, the law of attraction will definitely bring more situations into your life to complain about. Dr. Fred Alan Wolf, who is a quantum physicist, lecturer and an award-winning author, also says that as per quantum physics, you can't have a universe without mind entering into it. So friends, now you know that how powerful is our mind, so much powerful that we create our life through our mind. And since our mind plays an important role in giving shape to our life, so it becomes extremely necessary to keep our mind under control so that we can control our thoughts. And this will be possible only when we will be able to master our mind. And in order to master our mind, it is important to calm it. So friends, meditation is the ultimate way to do as a daily practice in order to master your mind, as meditation quiets our mind, which can thereby control our thoughts. If you keep busy in your life but you still want to make meditation as a part of your daily routine, do watch my video on 3 simple meditation techniques, wherein I have shared 3 simple techniques to do meditation when you have a busy schedule on daily basis. Do watch and practice it. Friends, daily meditation practice of 5-10 minutes can help you control your thoughts amazingly. Research also says that our mind produces 60,000 thoughts in a day. So does it mean that we need to control all these 60,000 thoughts one by one, which will be close to impossible task? So in that case, is there any tool that can help us to know what kind of thoughts are we carrying? Yes, of course. The greatest tool that can help us in creating and shaping our life is our feelings. Author says that there are only 2 kinds of feelings. Either we can have good feeling or we can have bad feeling. As per the law of cause and effect, our thoughts are the cause of everything and our feelings are the effects. You just have to be aware as how are you feeling, good or bad. This will quickly tell you about what you are thinking. This is the fastest way to track your thoughts. Now what do you need to do when you are feeling bad? Look for some secret shifters, which means we all have some ways in our life that uplifts our mood, like listening to music or painting or doing any such activity that immediately helps you to change your mood. You should do it immediately whenever you are not feeling good. Friends, this instant action will not only change your mood, but it will send good thoughts into the universe. Now friends, we all have understood that our thoughts create our life, and we all have so many desires in our life. But is there any process or a way through which we get to know that what are those steps which we need to follow so that our desires clearly reaches the universe and the universe convert them into reality and send them back to us? So yes friends, there are of course 3 simple steps that you need to follow to achieve everything in life. Step 1. Ask. Friends, we all must have heard the story of Aladdin and his magical lamp. When Aladdin used to rub his lamp, the genie used to come out of the lamp and used to say one line, "Your wish is my command, sir." Exactly the same way our genie's law of attraction, which is with us all the time and is always listening to whatever we think, speak and act. Here you are the master. Whatever you will think, speak and act, genie will always fulfill your wish. So all you need to do is to command the law of attraction the same way as Aladdin used to command the genie. You just have to ask whatever you want in your life through your thoughts. Step 2. Believe. When you go to a restaurant, you order food to the waiter by selecting it from the menu, and then you wait for the order to come because you are confident that whatever you have ordered is there in the restaurant and you will definitely get it. At that time, you don't doubt that whether the food that you have ordered will come or not. The same way, once you order your wish to the universe through your thoughts, you need to believe that it is already there in the universe and you will definitely get it. Step 3. Receive. In step 3, author says that once you ask and believe, all you need to do to receive is feel good. Always remember, you are on the frequency of receiving. When you are feeling good, you just have to set your frequency in a way as if how you will feel when your wish will be fulfilled. You need to feel just like that. Then you will get from universe whatever you want at the same frequency. The fastest way to bring yourself on that frequency is to say, I am receiving now. I am receiving all the good in my life now. And just feel it. Feel it as though you have received it. Friends, this is it. This is how you're going to fulfill all your dreams. This is how you're going to change your entire life and bring a drastic shift in your life. Now you are aware of the secret, or you are becoming aware of the immense power of law of attraction and the immense power lying within you that can change your entire life and can help you achieve your dream life and make it a reality. So change your thoughts to change your life. Thank you so much friends. Today I have shared only a part of this book, The Secret. There are detailed processes that help us to know specifically the secret to money, relationship, secret to health, secret to life, secret to the world and secret to you that I will be covering in my next videos. So stay tuned and I will see you soon. Take care. Love you. Bye-bye.